Good morning, students. Today we are here with our grammar chapter number 9, nouns, number. Now we will see singular and plural nouns. Today is Rinky's birthday. Read on to find out what she has to tell. Here Rinky's birthday is there and she is going to tell something. So just we will see. For my birthday party. Here the bold one is given in the party, so just you have to mark. All my friends were invited. My room was decorated with colorful balloons and stars. A cake was bought by my brother. I got many gifts. Jyoti, my friend, gave me a book which I liked the most. This is a short story about Rinky's birthday. The nouns which are in blue talk about a single thing or person such as party, cake, book, brother. They are singular noun. Here, noun which stand for one person, animal, place or thing are called singular noun. It means if only one thing is there or one person, we will consider as singular noun. The nouns which are in red talk about persons or things which are more than one in number, such as friends, balloons, stars. They are plural noun. It means more than one. If they are more than one, they are called plural nouns. Nouns which stand for more than one person, animal, place or thing are called plural noun. Now, here we have been given that when we have to use how to convert the singular into plural nouns. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U that we know. The other letters apart from this are consonants. For example, T, Y, S, many things. Now here we have the singular form and the plural forms. For example, here party, P-A-R-T-Y, so last word is Y, so that will convert into I-E-S, parties. Family plus I-E-S, families. Duty plus I-E-S, duties. Army plus I-E-S, armies. Story plus I-E-S, stories. Ferry plus I-E-S, ferries. Baby plus I-E-S, babies. Country plus I-E-S, countries. When nouns end in I and there is a vowel before Y, we add S. For example, day plus as, that is day. Here we can see that last word is Y, but before that vowel is there, A. A is a vowel. So we will not convert into IES, direct we will convert into DAYS only. Key plus as, keys. Play plus as, plays. Ray plus as, rays. Boy plus as, boys. Toy plus as, toys. Monkey plus as, monkeys. Donkey plus as, donkeys. Valley plus as, valleys. Chimney plus as, chimneys. Many more we will see. Now, for most nouns ending in F or FE, we form the plural by changing F or FE into VES. When your last word is F or FE, we will change it into VES. We will remove F and we will write VES. For example, calf plus VES, calves. Half, halves. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. Wolf, wolves. Most nouns ending in O form the plural by adding ES. example, buffalo, buffaloes, es we add. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Hero, heroes. Now, some nouns do not follow this rule. For example, photo, so that will be only photos. Radio, radios. Piano, pianos. This all we call the special singular forms, that conversion will be different. There are some nouns which do not follow these rules. Noun which do not change in plural form. Some nouns are there, they did not change in the plural form. So singular and plural will be the same. For singular, if it is aircraft, plural also will be aircraft. Ship, ship. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. We write fishes when we mean a variety of fish. The pond has many fishes. When we are talking about the variety of fishes, fish, then only we will be writing fishes. Now, coming up next, some form their plural in an irregular manner. It means their words little bit will be, letters will be changing and then plural will be formed. For example, child, children, ox, oxen, mouse, mice, man, men. Woman, woman, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. So, these are the forms that change by changing some meaning. Some letter. Some nouns are always used in the plural form. For example, scissors, trousers, spectacles, socks. These all are, it always used in a plural form. You can't say one scissor because it is having two hands. Some nouns are always used in a singular form. For example, furniture, news. This is furniture and news, always used in a singular form. Now, students, here it is given a value corner. Just we will once go through. One day, you get into a crowded bus. An old man with a heavy bags also get in with you. However, there is only one single vacant seat in the bus. What you will do? If you are at the place in a crowded bus, you entered the bus and with you, an old man also entered with heavy bags and only one seat is vacant. So what will you do? Take the seat quickly, stare at the old man, ask the old man to take the seat. So you will be selecting C, that you will ask the old man to take the seat. Now coming up to exercise A. Exercise A, that circle the singular nouns and underline the plural nouns. Two boys were playing in the park. Here boys are many, that is plural, and park is one, so that we have to circle. My right foot hurt. Foot is singular, feet is plural. The oxen were standing in front of the gate. Oxen, plural, gate, singular. The man wore white shirts and the women wore white dresses. So man, plural, shirts, plural, woman, plural, dresses, plural. The boxes were kept in one corner of the room. Boxes, plural, room, singular. Girls of our school will participate in the competition. Competition, singular, school, singular, girls, plural. Bring tomatoes, potatoes and mangoes from the market. Market, singular, mangoes, potatoes and tomatoes, plural. The cat ran after the mice. Mice, plural, cat, singular. The leaves of the tree have become yellow. Tree, singular, leaves, plural. Many sheep are grazing in the field. Field is a singular, sheep is a plural. The plural form and the singular form of sheep is the same. Now fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. I have bought two shoes, plural. So we will write books from the bookstore. My mother is using a knife to cut the vegetables. The tailor has kept the scissor on the table. The two children are playing in the garden. Where two will be considered, we will write children. Students, one thing you have to note that never it will be children's. Children's is wrong in English grammar. When our child is there, it will convert into children. Child and children. There is no children's in English grammar. Remember that. My new house has many rooms. So, students, today's homework is exercise A and exercise B. I will be sending the PDF file also for exercise A and exercise B that you have to do in your English grammar textbook only. No need to write in the English notebook. If you have to write, I'll inform you. So, today's homework is exercise A and exercise B in your grammar textbook only. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.